Hello guys. Quite kemas man. Flop na to stun lah last ni. Vroom. Hello, this is the Kynrem Falls in Cherapunjee. So beautiful man, you come, you see, so nice. So many people come Independence Day today. So beautiful people. Oh, clicking photo. See, photo, video. And the water is very many. Falling down water. See, oh, bridge also, big bridge. Okay, I will show you nicely. See water. Oh, beautiful water. Beautiful water is going down. Oh, water, so many water. See. Oh my goodness. Oh, people are going there. Okay, I will show you the biggest one. Yo, shit. It's beautiful. What is that? Hello guys, see the views of Cherapunjee, Kynrem Falls. Beautiful. The water is falling down. Listen the sound. Pangatay pelong shedu teh hadin lom kasur ngiu dai. Dai Ahmad. Jerong. Jerong blong dah kasur ngiu. Dai. Dai kemat. Lom kasur ngiu lah. Si. Ya tana long bahap nabneng lah dai. Okay. Oh guys, wow. Beautiful people. Coming. Beautiful people coming. See guys.